I ordered this 25 foot length of wire because I'm going to put a 50 amp plug on a remote location. And I needed to have this set up here with 6 gauge wire. So this has got, you've got a black, a red, and a white with multiple copper strands to meet the 6 AWG standard. And it's also got a ground line here too. Now this comes packed in a flat shielding here. This is made for indoor. The way you're going to order this is you're going to look for 6 AWG/3, and that indicates that you've got the 3 power lines, but then also this one includes the ground, which is needed in my application. So here's how they're going to ship it to you. It's going to come with that 25 foot length, just wrapped in some plastic, so it makes it easy to ship, but very easy to roll it out as well as you're doing your project. You should make sure you're using this for indoor, and if not, you've got the appropriate precautions in place for conduit and whatever else, because it's just designed, it's written right on here that this is for your indoor applications. Hey, I hope that's helpful to see what you're going to get if you order a length of this cable. This is a 25 foot length. It's pretty heavy, but it's manageable, and it comes in a small package that fits. Hey, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.